Hi loves, welcome back. So we have another Zara haul. Yeah, I know, right? I feel like at this point Zara should contact me. But yeah, I got another Zara bag here. The bag just looks big, but I only have like a few, not too many. But I'm also gonna do like a try on haul so you guys can see what it looks like on me. All right, so like a couple here. Let me just put that there and that one right there. Yeah, that's literally it. I don't know why she gave me like a big bag. Anyways, I have the receipt here. Let's just start, okay? I got this crop top from the, I think this is from the Limitless Contour collection. This green top. It reminds me of the one at Aritzia. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the name, but yeah, it literally reminds me of that top from Aritzia, but they're expensive. Zara is more cheaper than Aritzia. I got the, it's like M/L, like medium to large, and they're $12.90. I got this top and it's really cute and it's very like stretchable. Like I freaking love this. So I'm gonna try that on for you guys later on so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so the second one is this, I think you call it pleated pants. I have a screenshot. I think I have a screenshot here, but they call it like a pleated pants. So here, there you go. So it's pleated white leg pants. I got the color like brown, and this is $39.90, which is like almost $40, and I got the size medium for this pants right here, and it's very like very long, you guys. I'm just gonna stand up, but it's very long. It's like wide leg, very long, and it has a, you know, pockets, which is really good, but it doesn't have a real pockets on the back. It just has like fake looking ones. But yeah, that's, you know, at least if there's pockets on the front, that's enough for me. And it's also high-waisted. So yeah, that's the second one that I got. Third one is, let's see, oh, this dress, and it's very like long dress. It reminds me of the one that I got from Forever 21, but that one was like really long sleeve and it has like a little belt going on. I broke the belt for that one and I can't find that dress anymore, so I'm just like, I need another like long dress, like I mean really long. Look, this will go up to like almost to like my ankle, and it's not long sleeve, it's just, you know, still okay, because if I'm gonna wear this out, I can probably just wear it with my Zara coat, like the black coat that I got. So yeah, it's like this, look like this. It has like a little color going on, and I wish they're like long sleeve, but that's fine. And it's a rib, me and my ribness. Okay, so this one is $25, and I get the size $25.90, and I got, okay, focus, I got the size medium, so that's what I got. Last but not least, I wore this yesterday, Halloween. I was Mia Wallace, and I had like, I'll probably put like a picture here or like a video. Yeah, I had my friend, because I was gonna like, you know what, I'm not gonna get dressed up for Halloween because I don't have any costumes. I went to the costume like store, I mean like the Halloween spirit store, I think that's what they call it, like a store for like Halloween costumes, but they're very expensive, and some of them like they don't even have my size. Like all of the sizes that were available were like small and large, like they don't have the medium. So I'm just like, you know what, forget about it. Like I'm not gonna like dress up. And then when I told my friend Ashley about it, I'm not gonna dress up, she said, how about you can be like Mia Wallace from like the, how is this like movie called, Pulp Fiction, and I haven't like really watched that movie, or like it's like a 1994 a movie. It's like very like old movie, and I was just like looking at like some of the videos. I'm like, this is a vibe. I already like legit, I just got this, and I have like, I just got the button up, and I have like the pants, like the black faux leather pants from Zara, and like the, you know, heels. Like, it's a vibe. I had like the red lipstick, and it's not too much effort on her makeup, but it's like the wig. Like, how am I gonna do? I don't have like the wig, and my friend told me she had the wig, and like, you know what, let's go get it. So I tried it on. It's actually really cute. Like, it's like a bob, like with like a bangs. I was like, this look like a, like if I was like a Dora, if I have like a like orange shirt and stuff, I could be a Dora too, you know. But I already have like plans for next year, 2020, what I'm gonna be. I feel like I'm gonna be probably Dora. I don't know. Comment on below like what you guys, what were you guys on Halloween yesterday? Because like I want to know. But yeah, I was like Mia Wallace yesterday. Okay, so for this one I got the size extra large, just because they don't have the large, medium, small. It wouldn't really fit me, so I just got the extra large instead, and that's the only thing that's available. It's like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it, just because I also like very baggy white button-up shirt. I already have one, but it's more of like a creamy looking. But yeah, this is like white, and I like to style. I mean, like, you can never go wrong with like a white button-up shirt. You can wear this down, wear this you know, like dress it up. So yeah, I got this, and there were, I believe, 30 something dollars, like 35 something dollars. Okay, loves, that is all for today's video. If you like it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you love Zara hauls, like try on hauls, I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and go to playlist, and there's like a Zara playlist right there. You know, you can look and see. But this one is more, still more of like a fallish, not too winter, because there's no like coats and vests in here, and I was looking for those like vests because it's really in right now. And I forgot to go to H&M, because I know a lot of people got their like vests at H&M, and they would like pair it with like this like white button up. It's really freaking cute, and like a knee-high, not knee-high boots, like, yeah, like knee-high boots, like a chunky boots. It's really in right now. I already have like my Dr. Martens and like some of like chunky boots. I will probably, you know, take a picture, but like I said, I've been busy, and I haven't been filming and taking pictures. So hopefully by next week or this week I can able to, like, you know, show you guys more content, and let me know what content do you guys want to see in this channel. So yeah, I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.